Welcome to Decor, where we dive into all things vintage and charming. In today's video, we're going to explore how to transform your outdoor space using thrifted finds and hidden garden treasures. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly ideas or just love the character that vintage items can bring, you're in the right place. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below if you're excited for these vintage-inspired outdoor decor ideas. Vintage outdoor decor adds timeless beauty and a sense of history to your garden or patio. It brings unique style, character, and charm that newer, mass-produced items just can't match. Thrifted finds, like old furniture and weathered accessories, make your space feel one of a kind while staying eco-friendly and affordable. Let's kick things off with one of the simplest ways to add vintage charm: thrifted planters. Old teacups, mason jars, and rusty buckets can all be repurposed into lovely planters for your outdoor space. These pieces are often found at thrift stores for a fraction of the cost of new planters and can add a touch of nostalgia to your garden. Next, let's talk about vintage metal furniture. Whether it's a weathered iron chair or a charming metal table, these pieces are perfect for creating a cozy outdoor retreat. You can even upcycle them with a fresh coat of paint to suit your style, bringing new life to forgotten treasures. A vintage wooden bench is a perfect addition to any garden or patio. Look for older benches at thrift stores or flea markets with unique carvings or distressed finishes. With a little cleaning and touch-up work, these benches can become a beautiful spot to relax while adding that nostalgic touch to your space. If you're looking for multifunctional decor, vintage trunks and chests are perfect. These can be used as outdoor storage for cushions, blankets, or gardening tools. Plus, they can act as stylish coffee tables or side tables for your outdoor seating area. Their rustic charm makes them a standout piece in any setting. You'd be amazed at how many garden tools can double as decorative pieces. Old watering cans, rakes, and shovels can be displayed as rustic decor accents or even repurposed into unique plant stands. These items bring a vintage, working-class aesthetic that feels both authentic and artistic. Lighting is key to setting the mood in your outdoor space, and vintage lanterns are the perfect way to do this. You can find beautiful old lanterns at thrift stores that can be cleaned up, filled with candles, and placed on tables or hanging in trees to create a warm, nostalgic atmosphere. statues, busts, or forgotten garden sculptures are another great way to bring vintage vibes to your outdoor space. You can often find these items at thrift stores or yard sales, and with a bit of creativity, they can make your garden feel like an enchanted outdoor gallery. Believe it or not, old picture frames can make wonderful outdoor art pieces. Find frames with a vintage look, clean them up, and either hang them on the fence or attach them to the sides of sheds or garden walls. You can add artwork, mirrors, or even dried flowers for a truly unique display. Speaking of mirrors, vintage mirrors are perfect for adding depth and light to your garden. Whether it's a gilded frame or a weathered mirror with a distressed look, these pieces reflect the beauty of your garden while enhancing the space with an added layer of elegance and intrigue. Bring a cozy touch to your outdoor space by adding a vintage rug or two. Thrift stores are a goldmine for old rugs, and many of them are still in excellent condition. A vintage rug can anchor your seating area or add color and texture to your outdoor dining setup. And there you have it, 13 fantastic ways to incorporate vintage decor into your outdoor space using thrifted finds and garden treasures. We hope these ideas inspire you to get creative and start curating your own outdoor oasis. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Decor for more vintage-inspired home decor ideas. See you next time.